Welcome to an exploration of the JEF Embroidery Format, a format integral to the world of computerized embroidery. As we delve into the nuances of this file format, we aim to uncover its historical significance, its unique technical aspects, and how it remains relevant in the constantly evolving landscape of embroidery technology. Let's begin by delving into the fascinating history and origin behind the JEF embroidery format. Janome, an innovative Japanese company, has been crafting quality sewing machines since its founding in 1921. It wasn't long before Janome's pioneering spirit led them into creating computerized sewing and embroidery machines, solidifying their legacy in the industry. Janome embroidery machines are versatile, supporting a multitude of file formats like JEF, JEF Plus, SO, DST, among others. The birth of the JEF embroidery format dates back to the late 1990s when Janome set out to improve upon their proprietary SO format. The company acknowledged the growing need for an embroidery format that would transcend the bounds of their own machines and be compatible with a wider array of devices and software. The result was the creation of the JEF format, which is an acronym for Janome Embroidery Format, a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and accessibility in embroidery. Now, let us dissect the technical intricacies of the JEF embroidery format. The file is a digital format containing a treasure trove of data vital to stitching out an embroidery design, including the sequence of stitches, color details, and specific stitching commands. Unlike a text-based format, JEF is binary, designed for direct interpretation by the machinery, streamlining the embroidery process. Although many similarities exist amongst the JEF format and other embroidery file types like DST and PES, several differences set it apart, particularly in the storage and interpretation of color information. This distinction can have a subtle but significant impact on the final appearance of the stitched design. One of the standout characteristics of the JEF format is its scalability. You can resize your embroidery designs with the confidence that there will be no deterioration in quality or precision. This feature stems from the fact that the JEF files hold stitching instructions rather than static images. When you adjust the size, the instructions modify accordingly to ensure a consistent result at any dimension. Creation of these JEF files is made possible through specialized software offerings, such as Janome's own Digitizer MBX or other compatible embroidery design software. Such programs give you the creative freedom to craft and tailor your designs, whether that means adding personalized text, playing with a spectrum of colors, or experimenting with various stitch patterns. As we consider the current status of the JEF embroidery format, it's clear that it still holds a significant place, especially among Janome machinery and affiliated software. Despite the emergence of JEF Plus format, an advanced iteration that includes more detailed design aspects like stitch count and thread usage, the original JEF format has not been retired. In fact, it is celebrated for its simplicity by many in the Janome community, and numerous classic designs remain exclusively available in the JEF file format. In conclusion, the JEF embroidery format has been a cornerstone in the modern era of embroidery, playing a vital role for those utilizing Janome machines and software. Although it originated as a universal alternative to a proprietary format, it swiftly evolved into a preferred format for the crafting and circulation of intricate embroidery designs. The JEF file format's unique attribute of resizable designs has contributed to its lasting appeal. The times have seen the JEF format surpassed technologically by the JEF Plus format, but the original format endures in common use for its familiarity and due to the legacy content that still depends on it. Its importance within the history and progression of embroidery technology cannot be overstated. Indeed, for anyone taking part in the art of machine embroidery, whether on Janome machines or others, appreciating the complex world of embroidery file formats enriches the ability to produce and enjoy exquisite, high-quality embroidery works. Understanding the past and present of the JEF embroidery format is not just a lesson in digital design, it's a key to unlocking the full potential of your creative embroidery endeavors. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.